So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete unsubscribe link on Zoho CRM platform. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here, and after that select profile icon. Now go with this option right here called Access Zoho CRM. Now select the settings icon and go with this option right here called web forms. Now select this section right here called unsubscribe link, and you can see the unsubscribe links that I have created. So first of all, select that particular unsubscribe link that you want to delete, and after that put your cursor on that unsubscribe link, and you can see this option right here. Now select that option and now select this button right here called delete. And just like that guys, now you have successfully deleted your unsubscribe link on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.